A lot of people in the holidays go to the market to get their shrimp cocktail. Definitely don't do that. Get some fresh shrimp and make it at home. So we've already had our water seasoned with a little lemon and salt and pepper. We're just gonna go right in with the fresh shrimp. I've already deveined them and cleaned them, and so we're just gonna let them hit that boiling water. Shrimp cocktail is gonna cook really quickly. Really gonna cook in just about a minute. So there's nothing better than fresh shrimp cocktail. I've got my ice water ready, because once that shrimp gets a little color on it, you're gonna get nice and red. You'll know when it's cooked because you won't see that translucent color anymore. You're gonna come right out of the hot water, right into your ice bath. That's gonna stop the cooking. Gonna keep the flavor in, and then we'll go make our salad. So now we're just finishing plating up some of the fresh shrimp that we just finished. So I'm doing a take on a shrimp cocktail. You've got your classic poached shrimp chilled with the cocktail sauce, and I'm gonna pair it with a pear salad. So again, some fresh Bartlett pears, local, ripe, ready to go. Just give them a quick dice. It's gonna give some crispness to your salad. Fresh, crisp, right in. I'm gonna give it some candied pecans. And I'm working with some blue cheese. If you don't want cheese, you just not avert the cheese. You could put some red onions in there. This is a little white balsamic vinaigrette. And we're just giving it a toss. So again, a really fresh salad. Nice platter to put out for your guests. You're just gonna go right onto the plate with it. You wanna make sure you get all those pecans in there. And so this is a nice way to kind of get your salad out and give them some fresh shrimp at the same time. Garnish it with a little more blue cheese, a few more pecans. Shrimp cocktail with a fresh pear salad.